3 tape measure hacks you need to know. Number 1. Many tape measures have their width printed on the back, with this particular tape measure measuring 86mm in width. To accurately measure from wall to wall without bending at the corner, place the tape measure against the wall and add displayed measurements to the 86mm width. For this example, it is 887mm. You now have an accurate measurement from wall to wall. Number 2. To draw a perfect circle with a tape measure, start by placing a screw into your board. Then, select your desired circle size, position the tape measure against the screw with the marker at the other end, and trace out your circle. It's a really simple method to create circles of any size. Number 3. To ensure accurate measurements when measuring a wall or cupboard, you can double-side electrical tape onto a business or credit card. Then, simply place the card against the wall and run the tape measure along the board, resulting in a precise measurement read from the edge of the card. This method prevents the tape measure from bending at the corner and provides accuracy.